burial practices and funerary incantations. It is entitled Naturam de Manto, roughly translated, Book of the Dead. Book of the Dead. The book is bound in human flesh and inked in human blood. In human blood. It deals with demons, demon resurrection, and those forces which roam the forest and dark bowers of man's domain. The first few pages warn that these enduring creatures may lie dormant, but are never truly dead. They may be recalled to active life through the incantations presented in this book. It is through recitation of these passages that the demons are given license to possess the living. Possess the living. Tatra amistrobin azarta Tatir mano mansizon hazar soa